Essential error detection. Number 1. Magic realism is 1. A. Of the latest. B. Addition to good literature. C. Published in recent times. D. No error. E. Answer. C. The correct form is additions instead of addition because one of the latest implies a plural noun. Number 2. He don't. A. Like to play basketball. B. But she enjoys. C. Playing tennis. D. No error. E. Answer. A. The correct form is doesn't instead of don't for third person singular. Number 3. The books. A. On the table. B. Is. C. Mine. D. No error. E. Answer. C. The correct verb form is are instead of is because the subject, books, is plural. Number 4. He have. A. Been working here. B. For 5 years. C. No error. D. Answer. A. The correct form is has instead of have for third person singular. Number 5. Each of the students. A. Are. B. Responsible for. C. Their own assignments. D. No error. E. Answer. B. The correct verb form is instead of are because each is singular. Number 6. She is. A. The kind of person. B. Who always keeps. C. Their promises. D. No error. E. Answer. D. The correct pronoun is her instead of their to agree with the antecedent, she. Number 7. Neither the teacher. A. Nor the students. B. Was. C. Prepared for the surprise test. D. No error. E. Answer. C. The correct verb form is were instead of was to agree with the nearest subject, students. Number 8. The informations. A. Provided by the company. B. Was. C. Insufficient. D. No error. E. Answer. A. Information is an uncountable noun and does not have a plural form. The correct form is information. Number 9. She is. A. More smarter. B. Than her sister. C. No error. D. Answer. B. More smarter is redundant. The correct form is smarter. Number 10. The team. A. Has played. B. Good. C. This season. D. No error. E. Answer. C. The correct form is well instead of good. Well is the adverb needed to describe the verb played.